guys, welcome back once again for another video. And look at the beauty here, the zx10r soaked in fog for standing overnight outside. And today I am going to make a express ride within the states of Tamil Nadu and Kerala. So I will tell in detail about the ride while on the way. And yes, here we are just into the ride, and I am joined by one of my friend who is riding ahead on his Royal Enfield Himalayan. So the time is around 6:45. We thought of starting at 6, but somewhat it got delayed as usual. So the plan of our ride today is first off, we are going to ride to Kanyakumari, the southern tip of India, and then from there we are riding to Trivandrum, the capital city of Kerala state, and again from there we are going to ride towards Shencottai through the Thenmalai route. So that is a scenic forest route stretching for around I think 40-50 kilometers, and there we are entering again Tamil Nadu state, and from there we are riding to Tirunelveli and coming back home. That is the plan actually. So far there is no change in plan. So what I thought is, I thought of putting this video in 2 or 3 parts. So that is my plan, and here we are just 1 or 2 kilometers into the ride. So for Kanyakumari we are going to take the East Coast Road, and some of you might have seen that road in some of my previous videos. And that road is absolute beauty to drive, especially in this time of the day, the early morning of the day. The road will be quite free, and it will be having some twists and turns, and it is one beautiful road to have a early morning ride. So stay tuned guys and enjoy the video. And we just had our first fuel stop, and we are about to take the East Coast Road. And here we are just entered the East Coast Road, and as you can see, the fog has not completely cleared up. I think time is around 7 o'clock. And since this is summer, the sun has started to come out, but still we could see the fog. Here we are riding into the best stretch of this ECR road, and this stretch extends for quite some distance, and we have a pretty wide road with some beautiful curves. And this is one place where you can get a visual treat of the nature, and this place is called puliyarai, and it is a pretty big slope here. We are climbing up the slope now, and we'll be climbing down up ahead. But the thing is, if you look at my left side, while climbing down behind those red sands, you can see the Bay of Bengal. and there you go, a wonderful sight of the Bay of Bengal and the beautiful red sand with plantations in between. And this is quite a pretty big slope. Even so this road gets the name East Coast Road because this road runs along the eastern coast of Tamil Nadu state. So throughout the journey, if you look, the eastern coast of Tamil Nadu will be running parallel to us. We will be within a kilometer to the coast. And Kanyakumari is around 35 to 40 kilometers from here. And right now we are riding towards Kudankulam nuclear power plant. So we will be crossing the power plant on the way, and we are about to reach the place where the power plant is located. And here we are crossing the entrance of the Kudankulam nuclear power plant. So this is a high security area, and we can only have a glimpse of the entrance of the power plant. And here we are entering the national highway, and Kanyakumari I think should be around 10 to 15 kilometers. And here we are, guys, entering the southern tip of India, the Tri-Sea Junction we can call it, where the Indian Ocean, the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal meet. So we'll be having a small stop here, and then we'll be riding. Bro, and here we are going to have a small stop, and once again we'll start to ride towards Trivandrum from here. So I have been here a lot of times, but still this place amuses me each and every time I come here. And here we are very close to the sea, of course. So all we are going to do here is park our motorcycle as near as possible to the seashore and have a small photo. And here we are at the southern tip of India, the Kanyakumari seashore. Such a beautiful place, and we are going to have breakfast here, and then we'll be continuing our ride. So stay tuned, guys.